Alright, so we're about to go to Curious Sushi, which is a revolving sushi bar. How are you feeling for your first sushi experience this time in Tokyo?
I'm feeling excited and ready to eat a lot of sushi.
We checked out the menu and you can get like a sushi roll, I think for $2 a piece, so we're about to eat like 20 plates of sushi here.
Welcome. Please check in here.
Here's the blue button.
Yeah. Put the number of people.
Number of children.
Oh.
It doesn't matter.
Oh. Okay.
It was like aggressive.
So what'd you get?
I have no idea. I think I put that we have 2 kids.
Oh, is that our table? Oh yeah, look, our table. Please proceed in the direction of the arrow. So we go to table 34.
Where is that?
I think it's just straight. I don't see any sushi on here, maybe because it's late.
It's probably because we're here so late.
Yeah.
It's really like the worst time to come. Probably gonna
Where's the need assistance button? Because it looks like we.
It was not this
It looks
hard.
like we need
It
assistance.
was not this hard last time. It really started with hard.
Will Google Translate out?
What do we want? I know we want some tuna.
Yeah, definitely get tuna.
This one or this one?
Aged marinated tuna. I would do the aged marinated. It just means you get 1 piece instead of 2 pieces. Oh, I think I ordered that quick.
Want some shrimp?
Oh, look. Look, it just slid over. It already came that quickly. Yeah, do that. And then we'll work on these and we can always order more. That was cool. It slides over so quick, but you can kind of see back in there. It's in here. It's ginger. Is that matcha?
Oh yeah.
Do they have cups?
They're probably like at the up here.
Oh yeah, it looks like it. All right, we'll eat these. We'll eat these for now, and then maybe order something else. How'd they look?
So there's original soy sauce, sweet shoyu base sauce. Oh, gluten free.
Oh, nice.
Soy sauce, I think. Yeah. That's nice.
Oh, here's the you can make the matcha. How many you do? You do 1 or 2?
I don't know. I don't remember. What are you gonna try first?
It says this is a tuna, right?
Yeah.
Tuna with salt.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna eat this straight up. That's really good. It's like buttery. It's like you don't even have to bite into the fish. It just like kind of just melts in your mouth. That one's really good. You almost don't even need the soy sauce.
Really?
I don't want to eat that other one. It's easy to
Eat
eat.
it. We can order more.
It's easy to eat. Let me try this one. Try the tuna. Or the
Salmon.
salmon. That one had to tear into a little bit, but
You like the tuna?
yeah, tuna's the best. You may get the, may try the expensive fatty tuna to see how it
Ooh.
is.
All right, we finished round 1, and it was delicious.
First four plates.
So we're gonna order more.
I think we already got another tuna roll, right? I might try like the. Should I get the fatty Pacific or the wild fatty bluefin? What the difference is?
The wild fatty is more expensive, so that's probably like
It's like $3 for that one piece. Let's try it. Should we?
you want it. So I think if you do half, do they cut it in? I think they cut it in half.
Normal half.
I think that means they'll half it.
Okay, that's not half a plate. We'll see. Alright. This looks good. So you think that's a half of a piece, or you think
I guess
that
it's
looks like a half order?
yeah. I guess it's
But didn't we do half order on those?
maybe it looks
Or-
like half rice.
Oh, it's half rice. Okay.
Oops.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Good if you want less rice. Well, should we go for it?
Yeah. That's a huge piece of
Do you
tuna.
want me to eat half so that you can have the other half?
Whatever you want.
I'll just eat half
Okay.
so you can experience it also.
Is it different?
Much different. It's got a much different flavor to it.
Better or worse?
I think it's a little better. It's got like the tuna, the regular tuna, kind of just like didn't have a lot of taste. But this one has more taste to it. It's like, I don't know, a little thicker, a little bit more like thick and creamy, I would say. The other tuna was just like straight, like just kind of like butter, and it just like disappeared in your mouth. This one's like perfect, but it's good. So we had, here's our stack of sushi plates. Had 10 plates of sushi.
So this says you put your plates down in here. Apparently you can win a prize. So should we put our plates down?
Yeah.
Just like this?
Slide it. I think it says once you do 5. Oh wait, did we win? Oh heck yeah, look. You popped out up there, you won.
Okay. I didn't even know.
Wonder how much you win. I think it just pops open.
What is that?
Looks like a little eraser.
Oh, cute.
Your? I don't know what that
That is so funny.
is. Yeah, that's cool. Probably won't win again if we just won.
Yeah.
Maybe we will.
All right, should we try it again?
Yeah, try it again.
We got 5 more plates.
I
so
knew
one more.
my lucky fortune. It's because I got the lucky fortune earlier. It says luck is in my favor. It says 85. That side's all in Japanese. There is English. Number 85, the best fortune. I knew we would win.
Can't win them all.
Yeah, it looks like we didn't win that time, but at least we got this cool eraser. I guess that's what it is, I think.
Yeah. We check out?
Yeah, we can check out.
So 1822 yen.
That's right. $13 for 10 plates of sushi. And our little present.
And a prize.
And some free matcha.
So good.
Yeah, that was awesome. I wish we could have gotten like taken it straight off the conveyor, but I think we got here too late. It's like got here like 10 o'clock, so I think if we probably got here at 6 or 7. I'm sure
Like earlier in the day.
Yeah, the actual rolls that you can pull off the conveyor belt.
Come back, because they're going to be eating sushi every single day.
Yeah, we'll be back tomorrow for sure, especially for like $13. You can like crush so much sushi. Stand right there, I'll take a picture. I'll get you on video. Wait, do that again. All right.